I will be giving a demo on monostable multivibrator using 555 timer using PSpice. Okay, this is your 12th experiment 12A. The circuit is given in the manual and the procedure is also given in the manual. So I will go according to the procedure and explain to you how to simulate and get the output. So can you see over here, this is how you have to draw the circuit. You all know how to draw the circuit. To draw the circuit you have to go to file, then you have to go to new, you have to open the new project. Okay, and then you will get this particular screen which will be displayed. Then you have to drop and drag and drop from the component list. Here you can see at the side there is component, so you will have the various component lists over here. Okay, so you have to take this. Now this is the 555 IC and you know how to drag the resistor, the capacitor, this also. And now over here you have to change these values. These are the same values which are given in the manual. Okay, plus the values of the resistors you need to change, the values of the capacitors you need to change. Fine. So you have to draw the circuit like this. Once you draw the circuit, please save the circuit. Okay, now I will explain to you. Okay, so here now you have to there are two places where we need to see the output. One is at the output terminal, pin number 3. Okay, this is the output we are going to get V out, and one we have to see over here at pin number 7, the capacitor charging and discharging. So at both the places I have used this particular voltage probe. Okay, so I have connected the voltage probe here and connected the voltage probe over here. Now save the circuit and then please see how to do. No, it is already save. Then run. No, design. Settings.
Settings. And then you have to go for the simulation window. That's what I asked you. You should go on that. See, this is.
Okay. So please.
This one we have to give some name and save it. Already it is saved now. So this is new simulation window. We have to go.
Okay. Now please check the settings over here. These are the settings you have to do. You have to go to the simulation settings. Okay. In this analysis type is time domain transient. Then you have runtime which is 100 milliseconds. Start saving data is 0 and maximum step size is 1. Please mark the box, skip the initial transient bias port calculations, and here the settings are general. Okay, so once the settings are done, you have to press apply. We have already applied it. Okay, and now you run it. So just press run and you will get the output over here. Can you see the output? The green one is the output voltage and the red one is the capacitor charging and discharging. The amplitude of the output voltage, please make a note. So also the amplitude of the charging and discharging. So the amplitude of the output voltage should be approximately equal to VCC, and the amplitude of the charging and discharging value should be from 0 to 2/3 of VCC. Please make a note of this. And you have to draw the graph on the graph paper. So this is about monostable multivibrator.